Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
How are you, students?
We are fine, sir. How are you, sir?
I am also fine. Thank you. You're most welcome to PC. Shall we start?
Sure, sir.
स्टूडेंट्स, आज हमारा टॉपिक रहेगा हाइपोथेटिकल, इमेजिनरी या फिर अनरियल सिचुएशंस के बारे में। मतलब जो रियल नहीं होती, ऐसी सिचुएशन जो वास्तविक नहीं है, काल्पनिक है, जो एक्चुअल में नहीं है, सिर्फ हम सोचते हैं। जैसे अगर अगर मैं अमीर होता तो गरीबों की मदद करता, इस तरह के वाक्य। या मैं देश का प्रधानमंत्री होता, गरीबी को जड़ से उखाड़ देता। अगर मैं मिलिट्री अधिकारी होता तो दुश्मन को मुंह तोड़ जवाब देता। इस तरह की जो काल्पनिक कल्पनाएं हैं, इनको इंग्लिश के अंदर कैसे सेंटेंस फ्रेम किए जाते हैं, वो एक बार सब बच्चे ध्यान से देख लें। इफ आई वर, नॉर्मली हम वाज लगाते हैं, जो ग्रामर में आई के साथ क्या लगता है, वोज। लेकिन ऐसी सिचुएशंस में, इमेजिनरी अनरियल सिचुएशंस के अंदर हम क्या लगाएंगे, आई के साथ वर, और प्लस में जो भी आप सोच रहे हो। जैसे इफ आई वर रिच, इफ आई वर द रिच, अगर मैं अमीर होता। या फिर इफ आई वर द पीएम ऑफ इंडिया, इफ आई वर द सीएम ऑफ हरियाणा। समझ में आ रहा है क्या? फिर आप जो काम करना चाहते हो, आई वुड प्लस वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म। इफ आई वर द रिच, आई वुड बाय ए पोर्शे कार, कोई महंगी कार होती है जैसे। इफ आई वर द पीएम ऑफ इंडिया, आई वुड इरेडिकेट पॉवर्टी, टेररिज्म। गोट इट? समझ में आ गया सब बच्चों के? तो शुरू करें? ओके, स्टार्ट नाउ। यस।
If I were Virat Kohli, I would score most centuries for India.
If I were Virat Kohli, I would score more centuries
Most centuries for India.
for India. Sit down. Clapping करे सब बच्चे. Next.
If I were wrestler, I would gold medal. I will win gold medal.
If I were wrestler, I would win gold medal. Very good. Sit down. Next.
If I were Sunil sir, I would never beat my students.
If I were Sunil sir, I would never beat my students. तो सर तो आपकी भलाई के लिए लगाते हैं. Sit down. Next.
If I were scientist, I invent new machine. I would.
हाँ, if I were scientist, I would invent new machines. Very good. Next.
If I were the doctor, I would make the medicine of cancer.
If I were a doctor, I would make
The medicine of cancer.
the medicines of for cancer. Cancer के लिए दवाइयाँ बनाता है. Very good. Next.
If I were Mukesh Ambani, I would buy Burj Khalifa.
If I were Mukesh Ambani, I would buy Burj Khalifa. Very good. Clapping.
If I were rich, I never work.
If I were rich, I would never work. Very good. Next.
If I were Home Minister of Haryana, I solve all problem of Haryana.
If I were the Home Minister of Haryana, I would solve all problems of Haryana. Very good. Next.
If I were Vinay Khatri,
If I were Vinay Khatri,
I would all out the team one red.
I would
all out the team.
I would
one
out
red.
all players. ऐसा कुछ कहना चाहता है.
If were
चलो सिट डाउन.
if
ये
were
कहना चाहता है अगर मैं विनय खत्री होता तो क्या करता.
एक red में
हिंदी में
one round में सर.
एक राउंड में ही सबको आउट कर देता। चलो कौन बच्चा सही बनाएगा, इसकी जो सोच है उसको सही ढंग से कौन एक्सप्लेन करेगा? दिनेश। यस।
If I were Vinay Khatri,
इफ आई वर विनय खत्री,
I would call out my opponents in one
आई
round.
विल डू ऑल आउट माई ओपोनेंट्स। चलो काफी हद तक ठीक है, सिट डाउन। नेक्स्ट, ये लाइन होगी। यस।
If I were Jasprit Bumrah, I would take many wickets in the match.
आई वुड, इफ आई वर
If I were Jasprit Bumrah,
जसप्रीत बुमराह, आई वुड
I would take many wickets in the
मैनी
match.
विकेट्स, आई वुड टेक मैनी विकेट्स। चलो आज अल्टरनेटिवली पूछेंगे, सभी बच्चों की साथ बारी ना आए। यस।
If I were loyal, I would not lose any case.
इफ आई वर लॉयर, I would
would not lose,
would not
lose any case.
lose any case. Very good. Next. Yes.
If I were police, I would stop crimes.
If I were police, I would stop all crimes. Very good. Next. Naveen.
If I were captain of Team India, I would win ODI World Cup 2023.
Okay, good. Sit down.
If I were rich, I would buy many cars.
If I were rich, I would buy many cars.
If I were rich, I would I would make buildings.
I would make many buildings. चलो girls. Yes. थोड़ा स्पीड से।
If I were God, I would make earth more beautiful.
Very good. If I were God, I would make earth more beautiful.
If I were tree, I would give fruits and
Shadow.
to others.
If I were tree, I would give fruit and shadow to others. Yes. Next.
If I were health minister, I would give free treatments to poor.
If I were health minister, I would give free treatment to
poor.
poor. Next.
If I were Prime Minister of India, I would stop the corruption.
Corruption.
Yes, sir, corruption.
ठीक है, good. Sit down. Next.
If I were God, I would stop Ahmedabad plane crash.
If I were God, I would stop Ahmedabad plane crash. Very good. शाबाश. Next. सही अनरियल सिचुएशन कब
If
ना?
I were doctor, I would save patient.
If I were doctor, I would save patients. Very good. Nice sentence. Next.
If I were painter, I would draw a big pictures.
If I were painter, I would draw big pictures. Good. Next.
If I were in ISRO, I would discover possibilities of life in other planets.
If I were ISRO,
In ISRO,
if I were in ISRO, I would discover possibilities
of life in other
of life in other planets. Very beautiful sentence. Next.
If I were pilot, I would fly plane very high.
If I were pilot, I would fly plane very high. Good. Very good. Next.
If I were teacher, I would never give homework to students.
If I were teacher, I would never give homework to students. Next.
If I were president of India, I would poor and needy help.
If I were the president of India, I would help the poor and needy. यही कहना चाह रही थी क्या? Next.
If I would Kavin,
If I were
Kavin, I would never punish people.
If I were queen, I would never punish people. Next.
If I were director, I would make a beautiful movie.
If I were director, I would make beautiful film या
If
movie.
I were judge, I would punish criminal.
If I were judge, I would punish criminals.
If I were a great scientist, I would research about universe.
Very good. If I were a great scientist, I would research about universe. Very beautiful sentence.
If I were CM of Haryana, I would give justice to Manisha.
If I were the CM of Haryana, I would give justice to Manisha. Very burning topic पर बोली है. Very good. Next.
If I were you, I would work harder.
If I were you, I work harder. Very good. Next.
If I were president of Russia, I would stop the war.
If I were the president of Russia, I would stop the war. Very good. Next.
If I were rich, I would help the poor people.
If I were rich, I would help the poor people. Next.
If I were teacher, I would not beat never student.
If I were teacher, I would never beat students. Next.
If I were artist, I would make beautiful pictures.
If I were artist, I would make beautiful pictures.
If I were a ghost, I would make people scary.
If I were a ghost, I would make people scared.
If I were king, I would marry a queen.
If I were king, I would marry
A queen.
a princess. Yeah, queen.
Queen.
Next.
If I were ghost, I would scare the people.
If I were ghost, I would scare the people. ये हो गया. बच्चों इस तरह की जो सिचुएशंस है इस पर आप इमेजिनेशन किया करें. जितना आप इस तरह की सिचुएशन के बारे में सोचेंगे उतनी ज्यादा क्लैरिटी आपके अंदर आएगी और आप किसी सब्जेक्ट पर बोल भी पाओगे. हर तरह की सिचुएशन में कुछ ना कुछ जरूर सोचें. अब सभी बच्चों ने कुछ ना कुछ कम से कम 20 से 25 सिचुएशंस क्रिएट की हैं. तो उनके बारे में आप भी अपनी एक कल्पना को जोड़ दें उसके साथ, उस कार्य को जोड़ दें अगर वो होते तो. ठीक है, मेहनत करते रहें, वर्क हार्डर. थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे.